Hey everyone, guess what time it is? It is actually that time of year where everyone starts sharing what planners they're gonna be in for 2021. And so, look what I got. I'm so excited to show you guys what I ended up ordering. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. For those of you that don't know, Hobonichi is a company in Japan, and their shipping has been a little bit weird. It used to take forever for me personally to get mine here in the States, but they just switched as of July 2020 to using FedEx, and I literally got my shipping notice like 2 days before it arrived. So here it is. This is how it comes if you're ordering directly from Hobonichi. I know there's a lot of people who decide not to order directly from them because it is shipping from Japan. And let me just start this video. The reason that I don't stop and open the crinkly stuff and then show you is because I'm actually one of those quirky people that enjoy hearing the crinkles. So I'm sorry if that bothers some of you, but I enjoy it. So that's why I keep it here. So if you order directly from Hobonichi, a lot of people wait until JetPens gets the Hobonichi planners, or I know there's Amazon Japan that people have ordered from, but the reason I order from Hobonichi directly is because I do love the freebies. Every year, if you order a techo, a Hobonichi techo, which is one of their planners, you get a unique gift. Usually it's always a pen and something else. And their pens are like this mix between a ballpoint and a gel, and I'm in love with them. I think they write beautifully. So this is the Hobonichi box. The box colors change every year. This is the 20th anniversary edition. And I know those of you who have seen my videos for a while, you know that I tried the Hobonichi in 2018, I think, was when I decided I was going to do the Hobonichi, and it didn't work for me. But the reason it didn't work is because I attempted to make it everything. I attempted to make it my planner and my journal. And the truth is, I am not an everything, one notebook kind of girl. So this will be my planner, 100%. That is the only thing it will be serving me for. But I will say that that also includes my gratitude and some scripting. I'm actually going to use the Planner Perfect method on the dailies here in the Hobonichi. So I can't wait to show you guys what that is going to look like as I dive in 2021. Another thing that I want to say is you will not see this again until 2021, and neither will I. I am going to unbox it here, touch everything, flip through some stuff, and then I'm going to set it aside and put it away and wrap it and put it under the Christmas tree. So I am one who loves the anticipation of things. And so I'm going to make myself wait. I'm not going to set it up. I'm not going to do any of that until I open it up on Christmas morning. So that is what my plans are for this. And yeah, let's dive in. Okay, so this is the box, and we're just going to pop it open. Okay, and here's another thing. A lot of people, when they do their unboxings, they have the camera pointing down at your hands unboxing everything. I enjoy seeing faces, so I love it when someone does an unboxing and you can actually see their expression and hear their voice. So that's why I do it this way. But on the box, there's always a different quote for every year. So this quote says, "You write, you draw. As you move your hand, the lines start running. With the running lines, our mind sprint. Handwriting means letting your mind take off. Safety matches fireplace chat," is where that's from. Super cool. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is what it looks like right when you open it up. If you're interested I will try to post the link down below. There is a Facebook group, Hobonichi Buy Sell Trade group, I believe. So you can purchase used items that are shipped directly in the US. So if you're interested in that, I will try to put the link down below. If not, feel free to message me and I will get that to you. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out the very first thing I see, which is my cover and cover on cover. So once again, there is the crinkly paper, but as I said, I enjoy hearing it, so I'm not going to delete it here. I love how they package everything. They package it so nicely. I'm going to open this up, and I will be putting it back in the crinkly package for me to open up on Christmas morning. I got that idea from, I cannot think of her name, but I will post, she has 2 videos. One is an unboxing of her Hobonichi and one is how she uses them. I will post those in the description down below because honestly, I wish I could remember her name. She doesn't do a whole lot of YouTube videos these days, but her 2 videos on the Hobonichi were ultimately what sold me on giving it another go. Okay, so here's the cover that I went with. I don't remember the name of it. And they're not labeled. This is, does it say? All right, let me just show you. Let's see. Everything, I believe, is in Japan, so I can't understand any of it. But I'm trying to figure out the name of this cover. Nope, it doesn't say. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The inside of your cover, you get pockets and a bookmark. Look at these bookmarks. They're gorgeous. Look how cute. They're leather on the bottom, and there's 2 of them. And then this one, because every cover is different. So this one comes with little flowers right there. And then if you look, usually there is the Hobonichi stamp on the inside. And then, oh my gosh, it is so pretty, so pretty. This is the A5 size. So this is the cover for the cousin. And there's a back pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. It's just beautiful. And the pen loops, something really cool about the pen loops, you can either use one pen and stick it between both of these, keeping your book together, or you can have it separate and use 2 pens. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I also got the cover on cover. So what this does, I will go ahead and take it out and show you. And I just got a plain one. This goes on your, around your cover, your Hobonichi cover. And it just keeps it clean, keeps it from getting marks and things on it. I'm not going to put everything together, but as you can see, it leaves space for your pockets and everything. And even in the back, for the back pocket, it has a zip, so you can still access that back pocket. The first time I ordered, I did not order a cover on cover and then wished that I had. So I went ahead and ordered from Jet Pens. If you guys saw my first ever Hobonichi haul, I had a haul from Hobonichi and then a haul from Jet Pens. Okay, next, diving in, I got some other goodies. I got my cousin, the book that I'm going to be using, the planner that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to take this out. I already know what it looks like. Maybe I should. If you guys are familiar, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just to show you guys who might not be familiar with the Hobonichi design. I know that is probably irritating some of you guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so here it is. And what I love about it is you have a section, a year at a glance, and I have plans for every section in here. So you've got a year at a glance, then you've got like this, I'm going to use this as a tracker, but it has each month for, basically these are like the index pages, but I'm going to be using them as a tracker. the tracker starts in December. I mean, not December. The tracker part starts in January. The year at a glance, you have 2021, and then you also have 2020 and 2022. And so I like that. Then you have the months, and the months start with December. And then after the months, so it goes from December to March of 2022. Then it has a weeks section, if you can see, and it's vertical. So you've got a vertical weeks, and they are I don't know, I think they're all a Monday start, which is what I prefer. And these start the last weekend in December. So the weeks start on December 28. And then after the weeks section, you have, let me flip through, you have dailies. And so if you see, you have a full page for dailies. The way that I tried to use this was to use the dailies for journaling. Did not work. I need my composition notebooks. So instead, this will be where I do my Planner Perfect method, scripting my day. And this starts January 1st. And you have a section at the start of every month for goals and things for you to write on that, like right before the dailies start for that month. And then at the back, when the dailies are done, you have some extra pages. You have it looks like two extra pages, and this is the Tomoe River paper for those who are not familiar. And then you have things like, there's a timetable, there's a section for favorites for each month. My 100, like you list 100 things you want to accomplish or 100 things you're grateful for. Then there's different little things I can't understand because it's all in Japanese, not Japan. Then you have gifts, like gifts you have received that you can list. Then there's also a section for addresses for 8 people. I just love it. I love it so much. So, and that is the A5. That is the Hobonichi Techo cousin. Now, the freebies, I did get one other thing though. Let me show you. I did get this little 2021 weekly because I do have an A6 folio coming from Documented Journey, and this is going to go in there because that is going to be where it's going to kind of be like a collect all. I'll do like a setup video of that because that's where I'm going to put all my YouTube ideas. I do run a bod squad on Facebook for all of my bliss babes is what I call them, who are on a fitness journey. And so I need a place where I have all of that sitting. And so that's where that's going to go. But this is going to be my weekly, as you can see. It's got like top 3, and then you have your weekly layout. This is going to be where I write in my social media videos that have to be done for each week. And so this will go in my A6 Documented Journey folio. Okay, time for the freebies. When you order a Techo, which is what these are called, a planner, you get a pen always. They always do a pen, and they're always a different color. So this year, the color, it's kind of like a blue-black, like a super dark navy. Let's see here. See if I can go ahead and open this without tearing it so I can open it again at Christmas. I tore it, but that's okay. It is so pretty. It's definitely a rich, dark navy, like a blue-black color. And it says Hobonichi Techo 2021 on it. So you know what pen, like what year the pen is. And it comes with red, black, and blue ink. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stick that back in. You know what? I don't think I'm going to stick it in because it's kind of sticky. Okay. Then this year, I wonder if I have, one year you got like a little paperweight bear, and it was so cute. The year that I ordered the Hobonichi that didn't work for me. This year, the extra gift is a brush pen. So I'm so excited. I'm not going to take this out because I don't want it to get all sticky, but I'm excited to try it. It's a brush pen. That is my order for 2021. That is how I will be planning. I know some of you are disappointed that I won't be in a passion planner this year, but I just really want this to work. And I want to encourage you guys. You've heard me talk about it before, about committing to what you love and sticking it out, and how a lot of times until you actually finish something, you really don't know whether or not you like it. Even 3 months into using the Passion Planner for the very first time, I think it was 2017, because 18 I went to the Hobonichi because they discontinued my size in the Passion Planner. They have since brought it back, and that's what I'm in for 2020. But I don't know. I've been wanting to try to really give the Hobonichi a try. And so I'm committing to stay in the Hobonichi for the entire 2021 year. And because I almost gave up on the Passion Planner, and because I stuck it out after those 3 months, I fell in love with it. I'm just ready to try something different. And I need something different in 2021. I feel like 2020 has just been crazy, and I'm ready to try something new. And so I'm excited. I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm actually going to be using it. But once again, that video won't come till after Christmas. Okay. I hope you guys have a magical week, and until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy life.